Imagine waking up to a stock market that's as unpredictable as a stormy sea. Will it crash under the weight of banking worries or sail smoothly despite political waves? That's the gripping reality investors faced this Friday, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average and other key indexes showing mixed signals in pre-market futures trading. It's a scenario that keeps even seasoned traders on their toes, blending economic anxieties with high-stakes political drama. But here's where it gets controversial. Could one man's words really shake the foundations of billion-dollar companies? Or is this just another twist in the endless market saga? To break it down for beginners, pre-market futures are like early bets on how the day's trading will unfold before the official stock exchange opens. On this particular Friday, these futures were all over the place due to growing concerns about bad loans on Wall Street. In simple terms, bad loans refer to money lent out that borrowers might not pay back, potentially hurting banks and rippling through the economy. Think of it like a domino effect that could topple financial institutions if not managed well. Recent examples, such as issues at banks like Silicon Valley Bank, have heightened these fears, making investors cautious and leading to that mixed trading activity across major indexes. Meanwhile, the spotlight turned to the healthcare sector, where shares of Eli Lilly, LLY, and Novo Nordisk, NVO, took a sharp dip early in the session. This drop was directly tied to comments from President Donald Trump regarding the pricing of weight loss drugs. These medications, often used for conditions like obesity and diabetes, have become blockbuster successes for companies like Lilly and Novo, generating massive revenues. Trump's remarks suggested pushing for lower prices, which sent shockwaves through the market as investors worried about profit margins and regulatory pressures. For those new to the game, weight loss drugs like semaglutide, sold as Ozempic or Wegovy, represent a booming category in pharma. But they're expensive, sometimes costing thousands per year, which sparks debates about accessibility versus innovation costs. And this is the part most people miss. Ahead of the official market opening bell, the Dow actually managed to inch upwards, adding points despite the underlying tensions. It's a reminder that markets can defy expectations, balancing fears with underlying strengths. But let's not sugarcoat it. Trump's stance on drug pricing has divided opinions sharply. Some see it as a necessary fight for affordability, ensuring everyday Americans aren't priced out of life-saving treatments. Others argue it could stifle research and development, making companies hesitant to invest in new breakthroughs. Is this a bold move toward fairness, or a risky overreach that might harm the very industries driving medical progress? Opinions are split, and it's worth pondering how political rhetoric intersects with corporate bottom lines in such turbulent times. Related news: Eli Lilly embraces bold sustainability targets in tough times. www.investors.com/news/Eli Lilly sets ambitious sustainability goals. Date 10/17/2025. Eli Lilly's strategy for long-term success and environmental responsibility revolves around a robust portfolio of new medications, steady increases in sales, and investments in renewable energy sources. These goals are ambitious, even as the company navigates challenges like regulatory hurdles and market competition. Date 10/17/2025. Eli Lilly's strategy for long-term success and environmental responsibility revolves around a robust portfolio of new medications, steady increases in sales, and investments in renewable energy sources. What do you think? Should leaders like Trump have more say in drug pricing, or is that overstepping into private enterprise? And how do you feel about pharma giants like Eli Lilly prioritizing sustainability amid profit pressures? Share your views in the comments. I'd love to hear if you agree or disagree, or if you've got a fresh take on this.